When you need to determine the effects of heat and air on asphalt binder, then Gilson is your best choice. Gilson offers a complete selection of rolling thin film ovens ranging from basic to advanced operations to measure the short-term aging effect of heat and air on asphalt binder in accordance with ASTM and AASHTO test specifications. Gilson's MO-36 rolling thin film oven, manufactured in cooperation with Applied Test Systems, features precision components, durable construction, and repeatable and reliable accuracy. And the MO-38 rolling thin film oven by Applied Test Systems is the benchmark in simulation of short-term aging of asphalt binder materials. Let's compare the two different RTFO models. Both units use a built-in platinum RTD temperature sensor to precisely control specified chamber temperatures to plus or minus 0.1 degrees Celsius, and their thermal shutdown switch provides over-temperature protection. Both units' time from ambient to set point is 20 minutes, and full heat recovery is 5 to 8 minutes after loading test specimens, far exceeding recovery times specified in test methods. Operating airflow of 0 to 5,000 milliliters per minute is indicated on the calibrated adjustable flow meter. Both units have a carousel with soft silicone compression rings that grip the RTFO bottles securely while allowing easy scratch-free insertion and removal, an improvement to the spring clamp systems found in other non-Gilson RTFO models. Both the MO-36 and the MO-38 feature a double-wall stainless steel oven case and is designed for convenient benchtop operation. And cleaning and maintenance is easy with its removable airline tray and side and rear panels. The MO-36 rolling thin film oven's controller features advanced design and straightforward operation for accurate and repeatable results. Whereas the Gilson MO-38 RTFO has a 6-inch full-color touchscreen controller with an intuitive user interface that allows for quick and precise test setup, customizable test parameters, and collects temperature and airflow data during operation. And with the available internet connectivity, the MO-38 allows for remote monitoring and control. But the MO-38's unique programmable controller also allows for additional custom settings for different test applications, making either the Gilson MO-36 or the Gilson MO-38 rolling thin film oven the right choice for your materials testing lab. With Gilson's complete family of materials testing equipment, offering a wide range of performance features and capacities, Gilson has the right equipment for fast, accurate, and reliable asphalt testing. Be sure to check out these and all our products listed in the Gilson catalog and on the Gilson website. Gilson, your industry leader for materials testing equipment.